你好. This lecture is play guitar to the left. Play guitar in Chinese is 手挥琵琶. 手挥琵琶. Play guitar. And let me show you the move. And this one is only one step. But follow steps. And there's a new step for you, and you'll see how I do it. We're ending up the single whip to the left. So as you see, in my steps, one step, and then the other ones follow, and then out. So let's do the hand first. The hand ending up facing to the left. And one hand out, one hand in, and both bend both elbows. The inside hand is next to the left side, the elbow, and the palms facing in. And how do we get to this position? It's single whip here. Open up the hands. And then out. When you do the single whip, let the hands open. The right hand sweep in, the left hand turn and make a circle and then out. From here, the right hand sweep, the left hand, the body turn also, and go out. So when you stop to the right hand next to the elbow, the palms facing in. And the footwork. From here, you have the horse stance to the front. You're going to pick up the right foot and bring it in and put the weight back on the back foot and pick up the front and put the heel down. This time it's just the heel down. It's not stepping forward. And the weight still on the back foot. So from here, pick up the heel, step in, follow step, shift the weight to the back, and step out. When you step out, you pick up the heel first. So you pick up the heel and then put it down. Shift, step in, shift, and step out. So that's the footwork. Let's put the hands and the footwork together. So when the hand sweep in, and that's the time you shift the weight to the front, and that's the time you pick up the heels. Right palm sweep, pick up the right foot, step in, and shift back, and the left hand go out. And the left hand go out same time with your left foot. Pick up the heel and put down the heel. That become the pose. Let me turn around to show you the left hand. The left hand turn, let the palm down, the right hand circle in, and then out. Let's do it together. Single whip to the left. Pick up the back heel. One more time. So for that, you always put the weight on the back foot and always bend the back knee. This is play guitar to the left. 手挥琵琶. Thank you.